Good Sunday. A little bit Big Mac and a little Jersey Sloppy Joe. Swiss cheese coleslaw. Ketchup is very important. We've got the secret sauce, very much like Big Mac's secret sauce. But without the ketchup, you're not going to get that hint of Russian dressing that's in a Jersey Sloppy Joe. My memory of the Jersey Sloppy Joe does not match up with a lot of the videos that are on YouTube. On YouTube, they remove the crust and they cut it into squares. I don't remember that at all. I grew up in New Jersey. I ate Sloppy Joes. Mine were always on a full rye bread with ham, coleslaw, Russian dressing, messy as can be. I don't remember there being turkey. Apparently you can have turkey, roast beef, tongue. In the old days, there was tongue. Oh, this is my Big Mac Sloppy Joe. The ketchup is very important. Let's take a bite. Oh, this is a messy mofo. All right, I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna bite into it. All right, it's Sunday. We're eating a Big Mac Sloppy Joe. All right, here we go. Whoa, hey, I did it. Hey, hee, hee. All right, take a bite. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Oh. Clean up that. Make a mess. Oh my goodness. Make sure you use your favorite coleslaw. I tried making it with homemade and I didn't like it as much as the Publix. That's why we used Publix today. Oh. Oh. Okay. Whoa! Here we go. It's sloppy! Mmm. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Mmm. If you Google Big Mac Sloppy Joe, there are a lot of videos, a lot of recipes, but they all use the ground beef Sloppy Joe, like Manwich. I did not see one using the Jersey Sloppy Joe method. Rye bread in the middle, hence Jersey Sloppy Joe, Big Mac. I didn't want a rye bun. And I had these brioche buns. I didn't want to buy sesame buns. Mmm, that is so good. Oh. If you love coleslaw, you will love this, okay? Cook them on the grill, I don't care, I don't have a grill. Maybe one day when I grow up, I'll have a grill. Oh, big mouth of sloppy goodness. Oh, that was a good one. All right, I'm going to finish this. It's Sunday. It's Big Mac Sloppy Joe Sunday. Oh. Thanks for joining me for this Big Mac Sloppy Joe Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh. Whoa. It is sloppy. Oh, it's dripping. There's a lot of chewing. Thanks for watching.